Hello, in front of me I have SUUNTO Spartan Sport Wrist HR, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurement, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it won't move around, and keep still while measuring. I'm just gonna put my finger behind the sensors right here to demonstrate how it works, but my results might not be too accurate. Okay, now to measure the heart rate, we need to press the lower button on our watch to scroll down through the widget menu, and you should have the heart rate right here. As you can see, this icon will start moving. That means that the watch is measuring the heart rate automatically. I'm gonna put my finger behind the sensors, and this number should be jumping around, and once it stabilizes, that should be your current heart rate. And let me go back to heart rate widget. As you can see, it's going down, but once it stabilizes as your heart rate, as you can see, mine is about 70, but like I said before, it might be not too accurate because I'm using the finger for it. You can also press the middle button or swipe left on the screen to go to this page right here, and this page shows you the results during the last 12 hours. And as you can see here, we have the one we measured before, and if you have more of them, they will be right here. And once you're done, simply press the middle button to go back, and then press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.